Hello friends, once again we welcome you on our channel Shipping Inbox in continuation of bringing an informative stories on shipping and maritime sector. Today we are going to discuss about a world's cruise ship have announced its 3-year tour. During the pandemic, cruise industry suffered a lot. Many of luxurious cruise ships have shown their exit door from their owners, but now situation becoming normal as slowly but surely cruise ship industry is coming on ground. Life at Cruise Ship has announced bookings for its 3-year tour plan on Gemini Cruise, which will set sail from Istanbul on 1st November 2023. The company said that the cruise will cover around 375 ports across the world by visiting 135 countries and 7 continents. It will cover 13 out of 14 wonders of the world, including India. The cruise ship will also cover destinations like Rio de Janeiro's Christ the Redeemer statue, Taj Mahal in India, Mexico's Chichen Itza, Great Wall of China, and among others. The cruise will also visit 103 tropical islands from 375 ports that will cover. 208 ports will have overnight stops, which will give commuter extra time in the particular area. Not just this, Cruise Gemini has also made arrangements for the office duties from anywhere in the world. The company has also added tax benefits when working as an international resident on board of the ship. As per the website, we have developed a first of its kind business center at sea with 2 meeting rooms, 14 offices, a business library, relaxing lounge and cafe loaded with screens, conference equipments, Wi-Fi, printers and staff ready to assist. Making money at sea has never been easier, and with the tax benefits of an international residence, you may keep more of the what you earn. Michael Peterson, Life of the Seas at Cruise Managing Director, in a statement quoted that professionals need connectivity, the right amenities, and the functionality to perform their jobs. The ship has also made currency exchange facilities. As per the company's single cabins can get 15% discount on total price. Cruise Gemini has 400 cabins with the rooms for up to 1,074 passengers. The price of the package ranges from the type of cabin picked. The cruise has cabin right from the standard to suite. The price ranges from $29,999 to $1,000,000 per person for a year. The cost of the trip includes free access to dining venues, code embarkation system and storage, free family and friends visit, medical consultation, onboard app with GPS, business center access, alcohol with dinner, port fees and taxis, service charges, high speed internet, gym, laundry, housekeeping, enrichment seminars, soft drinks, juice, tea and coffee, golf simulators, entertainment, and performance. The price of the cruise does not include alcohol outside of the dinner, permanent office space, shore excursions, spa services, medical procedure, and medicines, and some seasonal premium services on board. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. We'll meet you with some another stories on shipping and maritime sector. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.